Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Level Up Fitness app codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so where I like to find my codes for Level Up Fitness is by going over to Reddit. So I'm going to just did a Google search Level Up Fitness codes. And then from here I'm going to scroll down. And then we've got a Reddit thread here from Soto Leveling Arise. So updated all current working codes and obviously how to redeem them. So I'm just going to open it up and you'll be able to see all the working codes here. So here's the codes here. So this code here, which is 500 essence, that one there for 1000 essence. So you just scroll through and find all the different codes you want to use inside the game. Another way to find these codes for Level Up Fitness is by checking out the official social media channels. So developers often share promotional codes through their social media platforms. So follow those channels. They've also got in-app notifications. So regularly check the app for any announcements or notifications about available codes. Developers may release codes during special events or updates.